Welcome to Frost and Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring smart homes and sustainable buildings, unlocking the next wave of intelligent living, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding, and what it means for future-ready businesses.
Great to be here. The built environment is going through a major shift right now, where homes and buildings are no longer just physical spaces. They're becoming intelligent, connected ecosystems driven by data, automation, and user-centric outcomes.
What's really driving this transformation across homes and buildings?
At the core, it's the convergence of AI, IoT, and outcome-based service models. In commercial buildings, IoT-enabled HVAC systems are transforming operations through predictive maintenance and real-time performance insights. At the same time, in residential spaces, consumers are actively seeking convenience, security, and comfort, which is accelerating the adoption of smart devices and connected home ecosystems.
And the scale of this opportunity is significant as well.
Absolutely. The smart home segment alone is expected to reach over $400 billion by 2030. But what's more important is how both residential and commercial segments are evolving in parallel, one driven by lifestyle and personalization, and the other by efficiency, sustainability, and occupant well-being.
So while the drivers differ, the transformation is happening across the entire built environment.
Exactly, and that's what makes this such a compelling opportunity. When you look at it holistically, you're seeing a billion-dollar ecosystem emerging, where technologies, services, and business models are all converging to redefine how buildings are designed, managed, and experienced.
Let's break that down further. What are the key strategic imperatives shaping smart homes?
In smart homes, one of the biggest shifts is toward new business models, particularly smart home as a service and subscription-based offerings. These models lower the upfront cost barrier and allow users to access more personalized and continuously evolving experiences. At the same time, disruptive technologies like AI, IoT, and even virtual batteries are enhancing energy efficiency, enabling in-home health monitoring, and creating more seamless, connected living environments.
And how does that compare with what's happening in commercial buildings?
Commercial buildings are evolving in a slightly different direction, with a stronger focus on operational efficiency and sustainability. One major shift is customer value chain compression. IoT-based HVAC services are enabling faster deployment, direct data access, and lower operational costs. At the same time, industry convergence is bringing together HVAC, energy systems, IT infrastructure, and building management systems to enable real-time insights and predictive maintenance.
So integration seems to be a common theme across both segments.
It is. Whether it's a smart home or a commercial facility, the ability to integrate systems and generate actionable insights is what defines value. Without that, you're just adding disconnected technologies rather than creating intelligent environments.
Despite all this momentum, adoption isn't without challenges. What's slowing things down in smart homes?
The biggest challenge is ecosystem complexity. There are multiple vendors, different communication standards, and limited interoperability, which makes seamless integration difficult. On top of that, uncertain economic conditions are making consumers more cautious about investing in new technologies, especially when the value proposition isn't immediately clear.
And what about commercial buildings?
In commercial settings, the barriers are more structural. High upfront capital requirements for IoT-enabled systems can slow adoption, especially when payback periods are long. Additionally, cybersecurity and data privacy concerns are becoming more prominent as buildings become more connected, which can delay decision-making around deployment.
Let's talk about companies that are leading this transformation.
In smart homes, companies like ABB and Resideo are making strong moves by offering integrated platforms that combine energy management, automation, safety, and comfort into unified solutions. In commercial buildings, players like ABM Industries and Bosch Building Technologies are driving innovation through energy performance contracting, IoT platforms, and outcome-based solutions that prioritize efficiency and sustainability.
So clearly, innovation is happening at both the technology and business model level.
Exactly. And that's especially visible in the growth opportunities emerging across this space. In smart homes, we're seeing a shift towards smart home as a service models and AI-driven home energy management systems that optimize consumption and improve efficiency. These solutions are becoming more intelligent, more scalable, and more user-friendly.
And on the commercial side,
Two key areas stand out. First, retrofit solutions for aging buildings, many of which are over 30 years old, are creating a massive opportunity to modernize infrastructure without complete overhauls. Second, outcome-based models like IAQ as a service and HVAC as a service are redefining how buildings are managed, shifting the focus from equipment ownership to performance outcomes like energy efficiency and occupant well-being. Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.